Financia, an innovative app designed to simplify and automate these processes, saving users time and reducing stress. So let's give them a warm welcome.
Red Bull judges, everyone. Good afternoon.
Every college student will inevitably go through the phase where they will be responsible for managing and budgeting their own finances. One survey said that 40% of university students are not equipped with adequate financial literacy, knowledge, and skills, hence the increase of bank or credit card debts and even student loans. Some students even begin to starve due to the lack of financial resources. Some would even get anxious, depressed, and stressed because of it. We know that each and every one of us wants to escape or avoid that kind of situation and be financially free. But how would a student be financially free when it differs to each person? A survey from IHE and a student said that financial literacy is so personalized. I'm worried that the student will get the wrong information.
My name is Nico Solomon.
And I'm Alfonso Sula.
We are business economics students from the University of Santo Tomas. Both of us are proud to represent ourselves to help the 18 million college students in the Philippines to gain the financial literacy, skills, and knowledge they deserve and to minimize their financial worries. Our goal is to prevent colleges students from hitting rock bottoms with their financials and also help them achieve financial freedom, presenting financial.
The solution to this concern is to give college students an app for financial literacy that is personalized or tailored to their own circumstances, personality, prior knowledge, and spending habits to enhance their life in college and for their own future.
You might say, what is the benefit of this app? A personalized literacy app, a personalized financial literacy app benefits users by providing relevant and practical financial advice tailored to their specific needs and circumstances and spending habits also. It also helps them make smarter financial decisions by focusing on lessons like budgeting, saving, investing areas based on their personal circumstances. The app is tailored to approach and to keep users more engaged and more motivated by integrating gamification, uh, leading to users for more faster learning experience. It also gives users confidence to manage their money effectively, leading to greater financial independence and long-term stability.
You might be thinking, however, aren't there already apps that do the same? Some apps like Mint, Honey Badger, and Money Lover. The problem today is that apps aren't promoting user engagement effectively. This causes many users to remain uninformed and don't have enough information, which just won't cut it anymore. Unlike Financia, other applications don't build a course that is personalized to each user, and Financia aims to give a first-hand experience for its users with our AI assistant. Our app will help you learn based on your level of financial literacy, which will be determined using our built-in personalized assessment.
Internal return rate of this project is 1,916% profitability. Now, what is the features of this app?
Firstly, Financia is
So
personalized.
far, anong maganda
Personalized because it is based on current financial literacy, where
scholarship?
users will begin by taking an assessment after the
First,
score to learn what kind of lessons they need, which will be
yun,
integrated using the
agri.
AI.
Oo, agri.
Next is
Ganun.
gamification
Okay.
features. This will include leaderboards, collaborative learning,
Tapos talk mo din,
character creation,
ano,
quests,
earlier,
quizzes, and many, many more.
after the talk.
Next is networking features.
Ganda, ganda
Just
naman.
like any other social media,
Maganda
we also
yung
like to
impact na.
integrate
Parang nagkakaroon
networking so that users will be able to connect with
very
each
good
other
ideas.
and to share valuable and unique
But,
experiences.
or pwede
The
apply
fourth
siya
is a news
since
page
gagamitin sa
where
skill.
news related to
Gagamitin skill
finance and money
online
will be easily
most of the time.
accessible so that people
No, to have real time
will know what
data
is going on
updates.
around the world. And
Actually,
lastly, we have
they
AI and machine learning integration through
offer
our budget tracking feature. This is to let users know how much they're spending and let
notification
the AI or the machine learning know what kind of lessons they
pag
need or requests they need to complete.
and I suggest na
Next, how can Red Bull
maybe
benefit from
this
us?
user friendly
With its support for
farmers
financial, Red Bull gains
also
enhanced brand visibility
phones or
and
internet
strengthens its corporate responsibility profile by aligning with the cause that promotes financial literacy and empowerment. Partnering with Financia allows Red Bull to reach new audiences focused on educating and financial well-being. adding depth to its brand image beyond energy and action sports. This collaboration not only strengthens Red Bull's reputation as an innovative, community-focused brand, but also reinforces its leadership in supporting meaningful, transformative causes.
Now is the time to teach college students the financial literacy they deserve for a better future and for a better economy. Together, join us in this journey to say goodbye to the debt, lack of financial education, no more to financial worries, and say hello to financial freedom. And
And
this
this
is financial.
Hindi malalaman.
thank you.
There you have it, guys. Financial Everyone by Nico and Alfonso. So now giving the floor to Mr. Carl Oakland for the